Hey you guys, hashtag positivity for life. Process is coming on leaps and bounds. So I'm just reminiscing here, guys. A bit of meditation at the same time, because I cannot recall a birthday of mine ever being so clear. Usually I'm on drugs, under influence, upset my family, being selfish, only opening the cards with the money in it, then bouncing out, not embracing the gifts. Oh, that's smart and that, then off we go. I've been totally obsessed with what my mother, my friends, my other but on the side gave me a card, and that's private. But big shout out to you all, just sitting reminiscing with Sassy Lassie for Dundee Cup. Big shout out to the YouTube family, guys. We're just sitting, look, show you us, we're just sitting looking at the straight view, guys, for the bench, look, obviously, sitting here and just sitting reminiscing, guys. I can't see the swans, a wee bit worried for them. I'm going to check at the top bit, because I saw the birdman up there with his mate with the binoculars. They look right after the ducks, the swans, the birds. So do we. We've got bird feeder on the window. They come every morning, certain wee birds, robins, just all sorts. It's great, guys. Great for reminiscing. It's great just to we'll have a wee walk around it, guys. Absolutely amazing. Great, look. So take us around, right, all the way around. Now this is actually a good wee bit for having a wee couple of laps around the pond. Now on camera it doesn't look that big, but look, we'll take these around right to back to my house. Now we've just left there, right, at the wee bit, the wee bench. A tennis ball. Hopefully the swans and that have a wee bit of beat tennis. No. Oh, there it is there, guys. There it is there, for this side. The European turtle might be underwater feeding, I don't know, but what we'll do is, David was outside my house over, but he had to pick the kids up. Right, see that there? Right, there. It sits on there. It might be behind a bit of long grass coming through, but I usually scope it a mile away, so it must be feeding underwater, I don't know. They've had to change the dynamics in the middle because people were throwing stones in the young team at the Swans, which I would not condone. Very sad behaviour, and it's cruelty to animals. We'll zoom in a wee bit, guys. So we'll do a wee lap. Bobby's still enjoying his cappuccino. Like, we've got to done my cup of nut. Cappuccino, a wee bit of cream in it. So look at them houses, guys. My house is across there, as you could see. Look at these houses. These are bought houses, obviously. Troon Terrace. Do you remember the murder, guys? The man that murdered his girlfriend and one of the kids and put them in the back garden, and put them in concrete, dug up these slabs and that, made a conservatory, put the bodies under. That was a few years ago. It was just up that street there. We used to pass him every day, me and my mum, this guy, and he sounded alright. You would not, and see when it was like on the news and that, I could not believe it. I'm going to spoke to that man, and he's, I think she was from Thailand, the woman who was killed. She moved over for a better life, married him, a psychopath. So guys, just be careful on who you're meeting, dating from other sides of the world, because if you come over here, now this is probably one of the most quiet now areas in Dundee, one of them. Now you've got all them great houses here, guys, well paid for, hard working people, big up the working class, and you've got the golf course across here with the fence. The entrance is just there. I love going up there and doing workouts and reminiscing in the woods, copying a few Rocky's techniques, taking a big sledgehammer up and chopping down, like, not trees, but the logs that have been chopped down. Just doing that, 10 minutes, doing something else. and you're absolutely shattered. Here's Clattle Country Park just up there. You follow that road right to the top. You're at Clattle, pardon me. So there's a look onto the pond again. Them houses are beautiful, beautiful. I love jogging up there. Before they got built a few years ago, it was just all woods, all the land of the woods, the forests. It was great. You still see the foxes and the deers at night time, stuff like that. But once you go up there, there's another entrance across here, right across where my camera's pointed, a wee alley, and it takes you right into the middle of the forest. Goes on for miles and miles and miles, and it's absolutely fantastic. But guys, hope you've enjoyed that. Bobby K 33 today, clean and serene, first birthday that I could ever remember, coming out with a coffee, living a proper life, taking the little things for granted rather than the big things. The little things come more. There we go, that's where I go, guys. Up there, then it's just fields, golf courses, John Leaf Drive. It's all good, guys. This is a bit long, so I've just walked around the pond, right? It took us a good 3-4 minutes, but jogging from here, usually, down the path right ahead, right around the pond, stop for a minute to 2 minutes, start again, we'll keep on going. So guys, I'm going to spend some time with my mum. She's just up a few hours ago. I've been up early with the gym and that. On my birthday, going away for a wee jog later on through the woods and just to do wee bits and pieces. But guys, hashtag positivity for life, and I can't thank these enough. I thought I would have been dead, not been negative fear with drugs and self-inflicted behaviour, but here I am, 33-year-old, clean at last. Thanks to every single person that's been on the journey. Shuggy, Leanne, David, Paul, Kaz, Georgina, Pity Me, Miss Kay, and just everybody, man. There's too many to name, but guys, God bless, hashtag positivity for life. Love to you all.